Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likaYisebe nendodana nomoya ogcobileyo. Today, I would like us to reflect on the book of Genesis chapter 21 verses 1 to verse 8. Genesis 21 verses 1 to verse 8. The Lord visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did to Sarah as he had promised. And Sarah conceived and bore Abraham a son in his old age, at the time of which God had spoken to him. Abraham called the name of his son who was born to him, whom Sarah bore him, Isaac. And Abraham circumcised his son Isaac when he was 8 days old, as God had commanded him. Abraham was 100 years old. His son Isaac was born to him. And Sarah said, God has made laughter for me. Everyone who bears and hears will laugh over me. And she said, who would have said to Abraham that Sarah would nurse children? Yet I have borne him a son in his old age. Kunale nkonzo engiyithandayo. uNkulunkulu in chapter 18 uvakashele uAbraham, wamtshela ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi ngonyaka ozayo uyobe ugone umntwana. In chapter 21 uNkulunkulu wamhambela uSarah noAbraham. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunale nkonzo engifisa ukuyiphakamisa, inkonzo yezethembiso. Kunalo mhlabeleli othi izethembiso zenkosi uJesu zimile ingunaphakade. Ngifuna ukuhlala kule nkonzo ezothi mhlawumbe kumina nawe uNkulunkulu lokhu akuthembisile uzokwenza. That's your word for today. uNkulunkulu lokhu akuthembisile uzokwenza. uNkulunkulu lokhu akuthembisile uzokwenza. What God has promised, he will deliver. Whatever he has promised, he will deliver. Kumina ibalekile lenkonzo ngoba kwesinye isikhathi sithatha ama experiences ethu obuntu bese siwa projector kuNkulunkulu. Sibuka ukuthi thina mhlambe sibancane babe sithembisa ukuthi, yabona khona kweminye imizi mawuyingane mawuphase kahle nje, mawuqede primary ngizokuthengela ibhayisekile, ngizokisa endaweni ukuthi kuzoba nje kube nje. And there are two things in that statement. The first one, you were made to believe ukuthi ayikho into ozoyithola ewumusa ongayisebenzelanga. And so we were made to believe you've got to work hard in order to be loved by someone. You've got to work hard in order to be appreciated by someone. And kwesinye isikhathi nalokhu sikutshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu usho njalo. I must be a good boy, I must be a good girl, I must be a good child in order to receive umusa kaNkulunkulu. Bese siyakhohlwa ukuthi akadinganga ukulunga kwami, akadinganga ukuhlonipha kwami, akadinganga ubungcwele bami ukuze aphelelise isithembiso athe uzosenza. uNkulunkulu uzosigcina isithembiso empilweni yakho. Okwesibili okubalekile, Baningi abantu abathenjiswa kodwa azaze zagcinwa izethembiso. Baningi abantu abathembisana kodwa ekugcineni ababekuthembisene akwenzekanga ngendlela ababesho ngayo. Ngiyafisa sithandwa sami ukukukhumbuza namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu uyindoda yezethembiso. uNkulunkulu akuthembisile uzokwenza. Uyabona encwadini kaIsaya uthi izwi lami alibuyeli emumva lingawenzanga umsebenzi. Izwi lami alihambi lilambatha. Yabona kumina ngiyafisa ukuba unganaki inkinga zesikhashana. Unganaki ukuxakeka kwesikhashana. 1,000 years are like yesterday kuNkulunkulu wethu. Uyabona ungathola ukuthi izinto zakho azenzeki ngendlela ofisa ngayo. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi kumele asebenze kanzima ukuze akwazi ukuphumelela. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi uhlezi eyikhandla, 80% is pain, only 20% is joy. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi injabulo yakhe is short lived. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje uNkulunkulu uyayiphetha izithembiso azenzile. uNkulunkulu ethe I will see you through it, he will. Uyabona khona lenkonzo eyenziwa uNkulunkulu engithintayo. Bathi abantwana bakaIsrayeli mabephuma eGibhithe ngomlomo kaMose, phumani lana niye entabeni niyongenzela isethulo ngoba kunendawo kunezwe enginibekele lona. Kuthi mabehlangana nezingqinamba abanye bayesaba, abanye bayabalisa, abanye sebethukile, abanye bayothuka uMose bathi kahle kahle wena naloNkulunkulu wakho benifuna sizofela ehlane, benifuna siyoba inhlekisa. uMose ubuyela uNkulunkulu athi Nkosi naba sebengithuka, babuka ulwandle bayazi ngeke bakwazi ukuwela, bayaqalaza emumva kukude la bevela khona, kodwa they soon realize izitha zabo ziyabalandela. Thandwa zami, uNkulunkulu akuthembisile uzokwenza. It may seem impossible, it may look undoable, kodwa methembe uNkulunkulu. Methembe uNkulunkulu noma kungasathembisi. Methembe uNkulunkulu noma ungasayiboni iway out. Methembe uNkulunkulu noma usuyinhlekisa. Methembe uNkulunkulu noma usuzibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngithembeni la. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena nakumina namhlanje uNkulunkulu wethu akathembisi into angeke ayenze. uNkulunkulu wethu akasenzi isethembiso ngoba nakhu esikhohlisa. uthi uNkulunkulu kuMose, mfana wami uphetheni esandleni. Athi uMose induku yokwalusa. Athi uNkulunkulu le nduku ike yakwenzelani ngaphambilini. Athi uMose ngiyalusa ngayo, ngishaya ukuthi ngayo. Athi uNkulunkulu ngiyakubona konke lokhu, kodwa le nduku yini enye ekwazi ukwenza? Athi uMose ngike ngayiphonsa phansi yaphenduka inyoka edla ezinye. Athi uNkulunkulu nani enye? Athi uMose ngike ngathinta amanzi aphenduka igazi. Athi uNkulunkulu manje ke sengifuna uyiphakamise phezu kolwandle. Khona inkonzo ebalekile kumina. Kaningi uMose eyiphakamisa leya nduku kungwenzeki lutho, kodwa namhlanje uyiphakamisa phezu kolwandle at the instruction of God. Uyabona, uma eyiphakamisa phambi kolwandle, ulwandle luhlukana kabili, isihlabathi siyoma sithi nkwe, abantwana bakwazi ukuwela. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu wezethembiso uyakubiza, uyangimema, ake uphakamise igama lakhe phekwenkinga obhekene nayo. Ake ubize amandla ezulu phekwengxaki ohlangene nayo. Ake umeme izulu phekwesimo ohleli phekwaso. Ake umcele uNkulunkulu angenelele. Ake ucele izulu lingenelele. Ake ucele amandla apheleliswe. Khona le nkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusayo, izethembiso azenzile uzoyifeza, noma ngathiwa sekuhlwile, noma ngathiwa sekuyasa, noma ngathiwa sekuntambama. uNkulunkulu wethu uzokwenzela. uNkulunkulu wethu uzothembeka. uNkulunkulu wethu uzokulungisela. Namhlanje uJehova wethu uvakashela uSara, salukwazi esesisidala. Uvakashela uAbrahami kehla eselingumxhiliba. Kodwa namhlanje uJehova wamabandla uyobusisa imbewu nesibeletho salabantu. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu uyosula ihlazo labo emehlweni abantu. Thandwa zami, ngifuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu defies nature. uNkulunkulu uzenzela ngokufisa kwakhe. Kunezinto mina nawe esithi masiyibuka ebese siyangabaza. Kunezinto mina nawe esithi masiyibuka bese sitshela ukuthi ngeke kusenzeka. Kunezinto mina nawe masiyibuka sicalculator, sibone ukuthi sesishaywe isikhathi, seshawa i-deadline. Bengifuna ukuthi kuwena uNkulunkulu wethu is in charge of time. All times and seasons belong to him. Uma uNkulunkulu efuna ukuthi lento uyithole, uzoyithola. Bobuka abantwana bakwaIsrael uma beya kuSamuel bathi sesifuna inkosi thina. engqondweni yabo banoSaul, engqondweni kaNkulunkulu kunoDavide. Kodwa abantu ngenkani yabo bagcina bemtholile uSawuli abe inkosi phezukwabo. Kodwa ngoba uNkulunkulu wayihlelile ukuthi wena Davide uzongiphathela abantu bami, uNkulunkulu wamsusa uDavide ehlane, wamgcoba waba inkosi, even though uSaul wayesahleli ehlalweni. uNkulunkulu wanikeza uDavide amandla nokuhlakanipha wokubulala uGoliath emehlweni kaSawuli, inkosi eyayihleli yesaba. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena ungakhali uthi inkosi isikhathi siyangishaya, ungakhali uthi inkosi ontanga yethu sebenza ukuthi, ungakhali uthi inkosi mina ngiyohlupheka kuze kube nini. Ungakhali wenze uNkulunkulu wethu isehluleki. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena, whatever that is meant for you will become yours. Whatever that is meant for you, the Lord will deliver. Whatever that is meant for you, no one will steal it away from you. Icebo uNkulunkulu analo ngelishintshe. Kwesinye isikhathi impilo yakho ungayitshela wena ukuthi isithatha iditho. Wena ungayitshela ukuthi awu lento yangiphazamisa, awu lento ifike ngesikhathi eswrong. Ayikho leyo nto. Nikeza uNkulunkulu indawo. uNkulunkulu kunamandla azokwembathisa wona. uNkulunkulu kunezipho azokupha zona. What may appear as a detour may be a filling station for you. Write that down. What may appear as a detour may be a filling station for you. Wena lokhu oyitshela ukuthi kuyakubambezela, kungenzeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukwembathisa amandla. It may appear as a detour ukuthi lento isiyangibambezela, lento isiyangikhipha kuma plans ami, lento isiyangikhipha kwi program yami, but it is not a detour, it is a filling station. uNkulunkulu kunento ayenzayo, kunamandla afuna ukukunikeza wona, kunomqondo afisa ukuveza kuwena. uNkulunkulu usekuvakashele. uNkulunkulu uvakashela uSara noAbraham, ebese bakhumbuzisa athi niyakhumbulani ngathini kunina. Angishongoni ukuthi this time next year uyobe ugone indodana. Yabona uNkulunkulu mina uyangithusa ngoba uza kubona 9 months before ebesethi get ready because the promise is coming. Let me say that again. uNkulunkulu uza 9 months before athi kubona get ready for the promise is coming. Kunento engifuna ukuya kuyona. Uyazi ukuthi khona into uNkulunkulu ayenzayo kuwena right now, because uNkulunkulu is preparing you for the promise he had made to you, or the promise he had made to your parents about you, or the promise he had made to your grandparents about you, or the promise he had made ezweni nasemhlabeni ukuthi wena uzoyiphelelisa. Yazi kunezinto mina nawe ezenzeke empilweni zethu right now because uNkulunkulu unesithembiso afuna ukusiphelelisa. He comes to them 9 months before and he says to them, get ready. Abraham uyahleka noSara uyahleka uthi for what? Athi uNkulunkulu, because 9 months time I need you to be carrying a child. Athi omunye bani Nkosi, I'm old. Athi uNkulunkulu anginendaba ngithe mina get ready. uNkulunkulu has a great sense of direction. He has a great sense of purpose. Kunezinto azenzayo nazo zenza. Get ready, for the promise must be fulfilled. That's a beautiful motto. Get ready, for the promise must be fulfilled. I'm getting ready for it. I know that the promise is coming. I know that deliverance is coming. I know that blessing is coming. I know that fulfillment is coming. I'm getting ready. Muvumela uNkulunkulu akulungisele. Muvumela uNkulunkulu athathe indawo. Muvumela uNkulunkulu akuhlelele. What fascinates me, Abraham was 100 years when Isaac was born. And listen to the words of Isaac, rather of Sarah. Sarah says something absolutely amazing. Sarah says, uNkulunkulu unginikeze umntwana at this age. Who would have thought uSara angagona ingane ekugugeni kwakhe? Izimbalwa izinto engifuna ukuzisho lapho. Yabona labantu abangayitsheli ukuthi usazogona ingane bayeke. Labantu abakuthukayo ukuthi awunayo ingane bayeke. Labantu abahlikihla usawoti esilondeni ngokungabi kwakho nengane bayeke. Labantu abaqhosha bencikisela ngezingane zabo kuwena bayeke. Ngoba uthi uSara, who would have thought at this age ngisangancelisa ingane? Uyazi kuningi uNkulunkulu asazokwenza ngawe. Uyazi kuningi uNkulunkulu azokulungisa empilweni yakho. Yazi kuningi uNkulunkulu azokuveza empilweni yakho. Bayeke uNkulunkulu akathatha indawo yakhe. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunento ebalulekile empilweni. Bukela uNkulunkulu ekwenzela. uSara uyabakabaza uthi, at this age who would have thought? Athi uNkulunkulu, mina bengazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka. Mina bengazi ukuthi angilenzi iphutha. Mina bengazi ukuthi ngisazokulethela intokozo. Mina bengazi yini oyidinga kakhulu. Umkhuleko wami namhlanje ukuthi ake wethembe uNkulunkulu. Ake ushiye uNkulunkulu akwenzele. Ake ubuke uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa. ake ubuke uNkulunkulu ekukhokhela isikweletu. Ake ubuke uNkulunkulu ekunika amandla okwakha umuzi wakini. Ake ubuke uNkulunkulu eqoqela abantwana bakho. Ake ubuke uNkulunkulu ekuvikelela izinto zakho. Ake umbuke uNkulunkulu. Lethi izwi likaNkulunkulu umntwana bamqamba igama lokuthi uIsaka. Ngoba uNkulunkulu unginike ukuhleka, injabulo at my old age. uNkulunkulu ithandwa zami usazonenzela umusa. uNkulunkulu ithandwa zami usazonivezela amafilimu. uNkulunkulu ithandwa zami usazonenzela ekade nanicela, kodwa namhlanje uzonipha kona. Ngoyise nendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.